Mrs. Herzog. When you're at home craving a snack, what do you reach for?
Oh, I myself love a good bowl of carrots.
Oh. Okay. Well, what about a typical person?
Not carrots?
No.
Celery?
No.
Brussels sprouts?
No. I'm not coming to your house for snack. Popcorn. People like popcorn. People want to eat popcorn. In fact, Americans eat more than 13 billion quarts of popcorn a year.
Oh, that was my next guess.
Yeah. Anyway, one of the fascinating things about popcorn is the way the bag pops models a normal curve. Only a few kernels pop in the beginning, and then lots pop, and then only a few pop at the end again.
Really? That sounds like a weird curve to me.
Oh, Mrs. Herzog, you need to pay attention in stats class more. Anyway, on average, about 432 kernels are popped in each bag with about a standard deviation of 8 kernels.
That's a strange thing to know. You must have been one of the cool kids in high school.
Look, just because I played marbles and know popcorn facts, I was cool.
Sure you were. Anyway, did you know the probability of getting a bag with at least 447 kernels is about 3%? Look, if we draw this picture and use a calculator, we can figure out the area in this tail.
I hate getting uncooked kernels at the end of the bag.
Excuse me, if you don't mind, can we get back to the math?
Oh, yeah, sorry. So then if that's what happens with a bag of popcorn, then what happens with a bag of 5 popcorns? Because normally when I buy the box, there's 5 different bags in them.
Oh, well, what you're now talking about is a sampling distribution.
Oh.
And instead of looking at the mean of one bag, we're going to look at the mean of 5 bags.
Mean of the mean? That sounds confusing. I mean, what do you mean?
Concentrate here. A sampling distribution uses all the possible sample means from the samples of 5 packages, and the central limit theorem, this is really cool, tells us that the distribution will be normal because the population is normal, and the mean of the sample means, now you can do this, stays the same, but the standard deviation gets smaller because we divide by the square root of n.
I'm not sure I get this.
Let's try again. So, looking back at that same problem as before,
Okay.
but now we take 5 packages at a time. The mean is still 432, but the standard deviation is now called standard error, and that's 3.6. So now our probability of the tail is less than 1%.
Oh, wow, that's a lot different.
Well, yes, because the standard deviation is so much smaller.
Well, I'm really glad you understand this. Do you know what I understand?
What?
That popcorn either ends up as a snowflake or a mushroom-shaped when popped. Look, this one looks more like a snowflake versus this one that looks much, much more like a mushroom.
And with that, please remember, if you call in and order your popcorn in the next 6 minutes and 12 seconds, we'll throw in 17,000 more bags free. Hurry.
Call 1-800-POPCORN.
That's 1-800-POPCORN.
Herzog and Pilarczyk, out.